So, in this video, I'm gonna make a dish that I never made before, but I had heard of it. It's General Tso chicken. Now, I know normally, apparently, you make it in a batter and then you deep fry it so it has like tempura or some coating around it. And I believe it's Chinese dish. That's as far as my knowledge goes. So let's get right to it. I said I'm gonna make it, but I'm gonna do it a little bit differently though. Well, that's where normally you put a breading over it and you deep fry it. I am gonna marinate the chicken and use part of the marinade later on to glaze it and have like a candied or fried chicken kind of glaze over it, which will be a little bit unusual, I would say. So first off, I make my marinade, which is soy, water, honey, vinegar. If you can, white vinegar. If not, I use normal vinegar in this case. Some hoisin, of course, I said already, salt, and the sauce has ginger and garlic in it. And so since I'm making one big batch and I'm gonna use it for all in one, so like I'm making it once and it's gonna be for everything, I'm adding right away the ginger and garlic for some extra flavor as well. Bring that to a boil and then I add like 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. That's mixed in with a little bit of water, so make it a little bit thicker right away. It will coat it better and it will marinate the chicken also a little bit better. And I will leave it standing in the fridge for 24 hours.
24 hours later.
So now that the chicken is well marinated after 24 hours, I strain it so that all the liquid kind of goes off, and I see and I can feel that the chicken is so juicy and it has all the nice marinade going on for itself. I am heating up already some oil because I said I'm not going to do it in a batter, but I want to dip it for like 30 seconds to a minute in deep frying oil. So that it still gets quick across the outer layer without making it super dry. And to make it even better, to keep the juices in, I roll it first in some cornstarch so that the liquids of the chicken cannot get out, it cannot get super dry. Cornstarch make it a little bit crispy. And once I've deep fried everything, I am actually putting it on an oven tray coated with whatever I have left of my marinade. Put it in the oven so that it gets glazed over it and like coat the entire thing, and I will have a really succulent, juicy, finger-licking piece of chicken. And I eat it just with some bowl of rice. It's how it's supposed to be, I guess. I don't really know, but if I Google pictures, that's what I see, and it turns out amazing. I can really recommend this, and I'm gonna try a few more things like this, but that's for the future. So for now, have a nice day.